Hey everyone, welcome back to ITPK. Today I will show you how to unlock all the latest features included in the biggest December 2025 update for Windows 11 that includes both 25H2 and 24H2. These features are already built into Windows, but many of them stay hidden until you manually turn them on. I will walk you through the entire process step by step, including setting up ViveTool and enabling all the major feature IDs safely. Before proceeding, make sure you have like and subscribe ITPK and let's get started. So as always, first we have to get the Vive tool downloaded in our computer. Just go ahead and get this link from the video description to download the Vive tool and select this option to download Vive tool zip file in your computer. Once this little file gets downloaded, just go ahead, right click on it, select extract all and select it into your any clean folder. For example, I have made a folder in my C drive already. Let me select this folder and extract the file tool. It's replacing the files there because I have already extracted those files. Let's go ahead and copy this path because we're gonna need it. Now let's go ahead and open up command prompt. Right click, run as administrator, select yes to the UAC and then type cd and then paste the path of Vive tool files. And here we want to run few commands with the specific IDs that will enable all new features from the latest Windows update. Now first, let's go ahead and run this command that will enable the main feature bundle. When you run this command and ID correctly, you're gonna receive this command that successfully set features configuration. Now let's go ahead and enable some more additional feature. For example, this ID will enable the additional improvement to auto hide taskbar. Now this next ID will enable the option to share any window from your taskbar. Run this ID to enable the new device card in the settings homepage. Run this ID for new about settings page. Now run this ID for your cloud file search toggle and the file explorer. And now we have to run two IDs to enable new Microsoft widgets that are provided in this new latest update. And here is the last ID that will enable the new context menu for you. So these are all the IDs that needs to enable for new Windows 11 25H2 December update features. Now to get these enabled correctly in our laptop or computer, just go ahead, close CMD and everything in your laptop and restart it. If you want to dive deep into all of these new features, just go ahead and watch my previous video that is mentioned in this video description as well as in the YouTube card above. Let's review some of them in this video quickly as well. If you go to settings, then system, and then scroll down and go to advanced, here you find the option virtual workspaces where you can customize the virtual workspaces like Hyper-V or Windows sandboxes. Then if you go to Bluetooth and then go to mobile devices, here you could add your mobile device and control pretty much all of the features in your Windows computer. And also if you go to File Explorer and want to delete any file, here you will see the dialog box in dark mode. This update will also show you the copy, paste, share or more other features dialog box in a dark mode. Then also there's some improvement in your taskbar regarding these thumbnails, and some of improvement has also been added in the taskbar settings. And then go to taskbar behavior, and here this automatically hide bar taskbar option will be more improved and fixed completely. And also the track has been improved and fixed. If we select multiple type of file at once and drag them here, we will be able to share those files between multiple apps, folder and also to the phone. And again, if you want to disable the drag tray, just go to settings. In the settings, navigate to system and then nearby sharing, and here you will have an option to enable or disable drag tray, and also there are a few more other options here. So that's all for this quick walkthrough. If you want a full in-depth review of every new Windows 11 feature, make sure to watch my previous detailed video, which covered everything step by step. You will find the ViveTool download link in the video description. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to ITPK for more useful Windows tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.